This is how I managed to put my 2-year-old daughter's hair in a protective style. That is because this baby right here doesn't like her hair to be touched. In fact, she doesn't like her hair to be manipulated. She just loves her hair to be left alone like that. And I wonder why, because she has such a beautiful hair. She has beautiful soft hair strands. Her hair is not too much, it's not too full, which I consider perfect considering the type of hair that I have and the type of hair that our elder sister has, which is very thick, very full, but hers is not as thick as that. Yes, she doesn't want her hair to be touched. Like, who does that? If you are new here, my name is Etty, and on this channel I've been leaning more on hair videos, especially how I take care of my children's hair. I have 2 girls and this is how I take care of their hair most of the time. So first, are you looking for safe and effective skincare products that you can use on your skin that won't damage your skin, won't destroy your skin, but will help you achieve a better skin glow? Then check out ettyskin.com. You can check out our website www.ettyskin.com to order your products from us. We deliver worldwide using. So first off, I am using a DIY hairspray that I made, which is already up on the channel. And then I'm also making use of aloe vera gel, which I also made, is on the channel. Check previous videos. So first off, what I do is I spray the hair with the clove water, the hairspray, and then I go in with the aloe vera gel to make it easier for detangling, and then I detangle it with my detangling brush. I was actually making use of 2 detangling brush here, and then I also use a white tooth comb and also use my fingers to detangle, and then I put it in a twist. The importance of this hair growth spray that I was making use of here is to fasten the hair growth. So this actually consists of clove, rosemary, and black seed. To check out my channel for the recipe and how I prepared it. So after spraying it, I'm going to massage it gently into her scalp because I want it to get into the hair follicles, and then use my fingers to detangle the hair properly. And then next I use aloe vera gel, okay, because at this time I'm not even done detangling, so I needed to use more aloe vera gel to make the hair easier to detangle. See, if you haven't tried using aloe vera gel on your hair, you should try it. And you don't even have to make it like professionally like I did. You can just pluck your fresh aloe vera gel, take out your fresh aloe vera, okay, the leaf, take out the gel, and then use it on your hair. I've been using it on my kids' hair since when they were little, and I love it. I just love the way it detangles the hair, the slip that comes with it. And then I also made use of aloe vera hair butter that I made. The recipe, like I said, is also on the channel. So this butter, I love it too because it is very soft. You know, it is just soft and nice when used on the hair. So that is why I also used it, and I was applying it more on the tips because, you know, the tips are the oldest part of the hair. They tend to get drier and all of that, so I wanted to strengthen it more. So that is why I used the butter, and I placed it on my hand like this because it was cold, and I just wanted my body temperature to warm up the butter a bit so I can easily apply it on the hair. Finger detangling is usually the first and the best, most important way of detangling natural hair because it's always gentler and you're not causing the person pains and you are not breaking the hair out excessively compared to when you just go in with a brush or with a comb. So you go in with your fingers and detangle it bit by bit and gently. It was actually a miracle I got this baby to stay like this, like she was sleeping. I got her to stay like this till I finished putting this hair in protective style because, like I said earlier, she doesn't like her hair to be touched or manipulated in any way. So this one's in front, I'd already twisted it, so I just applied the hair growth spray on it, and then look at the breakage. It was very, very minimal from all the brushing and all of that after not detangling her hair for a while. So this is the breakage. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do ensure to subscribe and come back to this channel for more videos. Remember to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.